Hazrat Abu Shihab reports, I reached Makkah Mukarramah 3 days before the 8th Zulhajj wearing ihram for Umrah with an intention of Hajj Tamattu. Some of the inhabitants of Makkah said to me, now your Hajj will become Makki, as is performed by the people of Makkah. I went to Ata to ask about its precept. He said that Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu narrated the Hadith to me. He performed Hajj in the company of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam when he had driven the sacrificial animals along with him and they had donned the ihram pilgrim garb for Hajj Mufrad. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to the people, you should take off the ihram after making circuit of Allah's house and marching between Safa and Marwa. Then get your hair clipped and stay without wearing ihram until the 8th of Zulhajj. Then put on the ihram for Hajj and whatever you have done, make it tamattu. The people said, how can we convert it into tamattu when we have intended for Hajj? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if I had not brought the sacrificial animal, I myself would have done the same, what I had commanded you to do, but nothing forbidden can be lawful for me until I perform sacrifice. So the people did the same. Imam Abu Abdullah Bukhari said, Abu Shihab does not have any Musnad Hadith except for this one. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1568.